Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amanda and we are back with another video. But hold up. Let me just give you people a brief history of what is going on. Just look at the way I look. I spent 20 minutes filming this video and I'm going to end up not posting it because look at my hair. My wig is lifting. And I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing this makeup. Well, I bulk produce, okay? So don't blame me. But the lipstick was doing something weird. The makeup had tried because I've already filmed like 3 other videos with it. And my hair was looking a hot mess. So I decided to take it upon myself to revamp, do a little bit of a hair tutorial on me restyling this wig. It needed a little bit of TLC if I do say so myself. Anyway, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. And let's get right on into the video. So first step, I like to put my hair in cornrows in order to make it as flat as possible. And when I do this, I section my hair into smaller sections. And then I apply a serum. This is the hair serum I'm using right here. And I apply it to my scalp. Then I go in with a comb and detangle my hair as much as possible before I start braiding. Now that I'm done with my cornrows, this is what they look like. I know they are not the neatest cornrows you've ever seen before, but that's fine. They do the job. They get the job done. Anyways, next step would be to wash my hair. In this step, I'm going to be washing my hair with the Sheer Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Now that my hair is all clean, we're going to move on to drying and styling. So I would let you guys just watch. Now it's time to lay the wig. Now I'm going to be using my Got2b spray in order to create the bald cap method. Here I'm going to be using my wig cap to stretch across my forehead. Then I'm going to spray my Got2b spray along my hair and use my hair dryer to dry it all up. After that, I'm going to take a scissors and then I'm going to cut the excess wig cap off. Before I start to lay my wig, I'm going to still use the same Got2b hairspray to lay the wig. Make sure your hairspray is dry properly when you're spraying down your wig cap before you start cutting, in order for the wig cap to stick onto your head. Now I'm going to take my foundation and apply it on my wig cap where the lace is going to be visible. This is to make sure that the lace would look as close to my skin tone as possible. Okay, and this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Tell me what you think about the hair. I hope I did a good job. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so each time I upload a video you get notified. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.